Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the JSE. And locally, we did get disappointing news on one economic data print, and that is the unemployment rate rising from 31.9% to 32.9% in the first quarter. A very, very grim picture there. But the all-share trading in the green, up by more than 0.5%. Those gains largely coming from the Resources 10 complex that's climbed by more than 1%. We do have the Industrial 25 eking out gains of more than 0.5%. And the Financial 15 relatively flat, just 0.01% above that flat line. Let's take a look at what is happening with the markets stateside, and of course investors still digesting the impact of the trade deal reached by the US and China over the weekend. A lot of financial institutions now upgrading their forecasts for the Chinese economy after they downgraded those forecasts about a month ago after Liberation Day. We also do have good news coming out on the inflation front, with inflation in April in the US cooling more than expected. We do have a mixed trading over there, but largely green. The tech-heavy Nasdaq extending the gains that we had seen yesterday, rising sharply by 1.60%. The S&P 500 with a gain just shy of 0.9%, but backing that trend is the Dow shedding more than 0.33%. Let's take a look at what is happening with the markets across the Atlantic. And mostly red, mostly green on that front. The FTSE 100 being the only bourse in the red, just 0.03% below that flat line. The CAC 40 leading the gains, they're up 0.18%, and a similar gain on the DAX of 0.17%. Let's check in on the currency scene and start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. More weakness coming through to the rand at 18 rand 32 against the US dollar. The local unit against the pound at 24 rand 33 and against the euro at 20 rand 47. Let's check in on how the other currency pairs are doing, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.11, pound dollar at 1.32, and the yen just below 147 against the greenback.